everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you an easy trick to control the dragon boat smoothly in Heartopia's Tri-Land Dragon Boat Challenge. Like, as you know, this challenge requires you to drive a dragon boat and pass through multiple checkpoints like this, but controlling the boat can feel a little tricky at first, and it's easy to lose control or miss checkpoints. And here's a simple trick that makes steering much easier. Instead of trying to use both pedal buttons constantly, just use one pedal button, either the left or right one, whichever feels more comfortable for you, and then just keep tapping that buttons repeatedly to move the boat forward. Don't tap and hold it, just keep tapping continuously. And now for the best part, just use your other thumb only for steering and adjusting the boat's directions. Like for example, in here I'm tapping the pedal button with my right thumb, and while using my left thumb to steer the boat smoothly through the checkpoints like this. And this method gives you much better control and makes the challenge a lot easier to complete. And so just give it a try, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!